Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your lookup value and the table that contains the results. Select the exact key column and the return column. This prevents misalignment. Open the cell where you want the result and type equals VLOOKUP for a classic approach or equals XLOOKUP for a modern, flexible option. Make sure to lock ranges with $ if copying the formula. Once done, set the match type, false for exact matches in VLOOKUP, or leave XLOOKUP at its default exact match. Now build the formula and explain why each part matters. For VLOOKUP, specify the lookup value, the full table range, the column number to return, and false to avoid approximate matches. This prevents wrong rows when data isn't sorted. For XLOOKUP, point to the lookup array and the return array separately. This allows leftward lookups and clearer logic. Use $ to anchor ranges before filling down, and test on a few rows to confirm behavior before bulk copying. Finish by validating results across your sheet so you know the logic held. Scan for hash and / errors. Those usually mean missing keys, trailing spaces, or mismatched data types, so use trim or value conversions to fix them. If you want cleaner outputs, wrap VLOOKUP with IFER or supply and if not found argument in XLOOKUP to return a custom message. One quick troubleshooting tip: when matches fail, inspect both columns for hidden spaces or different formats. Correcting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.